Hey, Mom and Dad.
What is it, Chris?
Can I go to the bathroom, please?
Sure, Chris. But be back in time for Penelope's performance.
Okay, Mom. There's it finally found a fire alarm pull station. Now I'm going to set up my camera and make a video. What's up, guys? It's me, Chris, here with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be pulling the fire alarm to ruin my sister Penelope's school play. As you can see here, me and Penelope's school has the S system, and in the hallways we have S Genesis and S Sounder Basers, and the outside we have S Integris outdoor speakers. And also we have a white electric fire alarm next to the real one.